My previous video about why AI can be more effective than traditional psychotherapy sparked a lot of discussion. I've seen many comments raising valid points. AI can make mistakes, it can be dangerous, it might just flatter you, it's not human. And you are absolutely correct. AI can make mistakes, it can be dangerous, it can flatter you, and no, it's not a human. But this isn't a bug, it's a feature. And it's precisely why it's a superior tool for self analysis than conventional therapy if you know how to use it. Let's use an analogy. AI is a car, your brain is the driver. A car is an incredibly powerful tool. It can take you across continents, allow you to explore vast landscapes, and connect you with distant people. But if you don't know how to drive, if you don't understand traffic laws, if you blindly trust GPS without looking at the road, a car becomes incredibly dangerous. It can crash, it can kill, it can leave you stranded. Do we blame the car, or do we acknowledge the responsibility of the driver? AI is no different. It's a phenomenal engine and vast, complex analytical machine. But its effectiveness and your safety depend entirely on you. AI is an analysis tool, not a source of truth. This is crucial. Just like a calculator gives you numbers, but you need to know if those numbers make sense in context, AI provides analysis. It can identify patterns, synthesize information, generate hypotheses, and offer different perspectives at a speed and scale no human therapist ever could. Yes, it can hallucinate. Yes, it can flatter you. Just as a human therapist can be biased or misunderstand you or tell you what you want to hear. AI is a model, a statistical engine. It does not claim to be a wise guru or a divinely inspired prophet. It is a mirror reflecting patterns, not a priest giving you a divine edict. The moment you treat it as an infallible oracle, you stop being a driver and become a passenger in a car steered by no one. Second, effective AI use demands critical thinking. If you're just asking AI, tell me who I am, and blindly accepting its output, then yes, you're using it dangerously. Just like getting into a car and saying, car, drive me anywhere, I don't care where I end up. To use AI effectively for self analysis, you must engage your own critical faculties. You must be able to formulate clear, precise questions. If your input is garbage, your output will be garbage. You need to articulate the specific problem, the emotion, the pattern you want to analyze. This act of precise questioning itself is a form of self analysis that therapy often lacks. You must scrutinize its responses. Does what it say resonate with your experience? Does it provide a new coherent framework? Or does it sound like generic platitudes? Don't look for affirmation, look for insight. Test its hypothesis against your own reality. You must cross reference. If AI gives you a concept or an explanation, don't take it as a gospel. Research it. Connect it to other knowledge. Use AI as a springboard for further investigation, not a destination. Third, AI forces you to take responsibility. Unlike traditional therapy, where you might passively present your problems and expect a cure or a solution from the therapist, AI puts the onus squarely on you. You are the one driving the conversation. You are the one interpreting the results. You are the one deciding what information is relevant and how to integrate it. This very process of active engagement is deeply empowering. It shifts you from a passive patient to an active investigator of your own psyche. It cultivates intellectual rigor and self-reliance. You become the scientist of your own mind. When you ask AI, what are the common patterns in my relationships, for example, and it gives you a cold analytical breakdown devoid of human judgment, It forces you to confront the data without the filter of human sympathy or bias. It's brutal honesty delivered by a machine that doesn't care about your feelings, only about patterns. And sometimes that brutal honesty is exactly what you need to cut through your own self deception and emotional narratives. So, yes, AI can be dangerous, but only to those who are unwilling to drive their own minds. It's dangerous to those who seek an external authority to tell them what to believe rather than an internal tool to help them uncover their own truth. The real danger isn't the AI. The real danger is the human tendency to outsource thinking, to seek comfort over clarity, to want to be passengers in their own lives. AI is a tool. It won't give you truth wrapped in a bow. It will give you patterns, data, and analytical frameworks. The truth, your truth, is something you build piece by piece by driving your own car, by critically engaging with the world, and by finally taking responsibility for the exploration of your own mind. If you want AI to operate outside traditional psychological paradigms and prioritize logical clarity over emotional handholding, I've added my custom prompt in the video description. You can copy and paste it into your AI's customization settings and try it for yourself.